How to disable DMs on TikTok. A prerequisite for this tutorial is that you have already updated your TikTok application to its latest version. In this context, in this tutorial, I will use the Android version, but you can always follow the same step on iOS device as well. You can consult both Play Store or App Store, depending on your device, to update it to its latest version, okay? And before we start this tutorial, please make sure that you hit subscribe and ring that bell. So without further ado, let's go. First up, just open your TikTok application. So from your TikTok application, head on to your bottom bar and then choose Profile. Okay, hit that three lines button on the top right. Choose Settings and Privacy. Okay, and then from that Settings and Privacy screen, all you have to do is just to choose on Privacy. Head on to the bottom. You can see the direct messages. Choose that, and then you can configure the direct messages settings on TikTok. So for example, if you wanted to disable completely, all you need to do is just to click on no one, toggle it to no one. And if you want to also configure any account that wanted to invite you to your group channel or group chat, all you have to do is just to click on the no one also. And that's pretty much how you disable DMs or direct messages on TikTok. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Techtricks to cover, also please put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, and I hope it helps. Until the next tutorial, YouTube. Bye.